Good day guys. Today I am gonna unbox this new Flipper Zero. I've received it just now in the post. I've been waiting over 2 weeks for this and I'm quite excited. It's got a strip there that you need to cut, and here we go. It's the box. Looks quite decent. It says there electronic pet toy, multi-tool, educational device, and I'm quite excited to unbox this. Here you go. You got a nice sticker. You got a quick start guide, which we'll run through. This is what you get. Quite cool. I'm quite excited. Got a nice USB-C to USB charging, and then you got your device, and it's quite cool. Getting it out is a different thing though. It's quite difficult to take it out. And that is the device. There we go. That's all that's in here. Hope you guys are blessed. Have a good day.